very wrong Let's teach this business. There's something I've seen in the church and I've noticed. Nankuluma fights. The problem is because you don't have discernment. The discernment, it helps you to see when to fight, where to fight, and how to fight, and who to fight. That's discernment. So, la sonde notola se silwa nabandenga mel silwe nabo because we lack what we call discernment. Our biggest issue is not that we don't have the weapons of warfare. Our biggest issue is we don't have discernment. So when we don't have discernment, that poses as a threat. Whereas this is a house of warriors, so everyone around you here or close to you here is a warrior. So when they show up, they were standing by you. The footsteps of a warrior are heard from a distance because his triumphs will speak for him. The aroma of the victories of where he's coming from will speak for him before he arrives. So the perfume, Yalama victories will come first. Sometimes even before they talk, you can feel good. So you will see them as a threat if you don't have discernment. Then you will fight them on basis of suspicion, not discernment. So I suspected that this person is fighting me or is about to fight me. Whereas they were not there to do that. They were there to stand by you and fight. The battles knew all were together. The team, Lima and Simini A1. So the reason sometimes is because of this. You understand? Let jogger when normally push a cool zikubeke zihambe a line in L1. Number 2 zidonse ikuba elinjani L1. So because of lack of discernment, most people in prophetic churches end up hating each other and they end up destroying each other with the same weapons of warfare. So the ones they were going to use or they were expected to use against the enemy because of fear. Because we are saba, ukuthi nakuvela omunye powerful njengaye uyophelelwa isikhala. Satan ngelento ngaphakathi kwakhe angilwe nomunye ophakamayo. So if usihlabela sila praise team and I hear Constance ukuthi unembile ingoba yakhe inamandla. So mina manje angisahlabeli sefuna ngilwe nokuthi nami bazalwane mangihlabela funa basukume bashaya izandla njengo Constance. So the fight now it's here, it's no longer against the enemy, it's against who is at the top, who is shining brighter. Whereas masinema sonke so singashina kangcono. So discernment now helps you ukuthi okay mina ngiyathandaza but I pray in tongues. My sister lapha, excuse me, uthandaza kahle ngamagama. There are people who pray ngamagama and whose atmosphere change. You understand? And then umuntu othandaza ngama-tongues uzwe i-atmosphere yenza njani i-change. So now because mina ngizungazi ukuthi ngithandaza ngama-tongues lo amagama ngizungathi ucompete nami aka-compete nami. If you can discern, you are still in the same field. It's just that ulwa ngapha wena ulwa ngapha. So by crushing the next person who's praying powerfully using words, there is now a gap. Field there. So a man figure at the top, already the enemy will be in. So because when ngeke ulwe ku pathway yomuntu wamagama unikezwe ipower yama-tongues. So emagameni kunomuntu wakhona. Some they are given, listen to the Bible, word of faith. The cool gives of some are given faith, some a word of faith. Abanye banikeza noma kakhuluma namagama ngokukholo kwenza lesimanga. Bese the Bible abanye banikezwa amandla okukhuluma ngama-tongues. Bese lithi labanye banikezwa amandla okinterpreta ama-tongues. So now when the one speaking in tongues and the one who is praying using words and the one who interprets tongues, they are standing in one area and they are standing in one field. When they fight going forward, when the one otandaza ngamagama, he's charging the one otandaza ngama-tongues, so that no tongues are more powerful. No tongues are more powerful until law or interpreter ama-tongues. I'm telling you, hey, when lento itandaza say ya better ngoba lawyer ukuchargela ukuthi ulwe nasikhwaka nasi, but lama-tongues wakho mangwa interpreter alwa nesikhwaka esingaphezulu kunale power oyireceivayo. So when we stand in a field like this and then we move forward with discernment, all three of us, while we are praying in the same church, we are not trying to cover space on muntu. Lo amagama no mastandaza ukipa magama in the scripture. We are memesel. They are not more powerful. They are elite in their field when it comes to their words. Because their words is accompanied by faith, by fire, and what? By scriptures. Then lower tongues, he's more powerful when he is rooted on a ground created by the one who prayed with words that are filled with the word. Then when this one with tongues are kuluma ngama tongues apagama phakanyiswa ilo or create atmosphere ngamagama nezwi lo interpretayo sekumalula ke manje ukuthi go to the left wena amagama pray against snake spirit because the power ela yaloko man lesesibheka le lona bakathanaza amagama mchaje nganamagawa nawo lona tongues akhe sekabheka le we are fighting against the Goliath. Pray like this now. You faka amagama so Goliath is going down. When this one is saying kumbra akana, he's charged by this weight. Eto Goliath bayalo. Lona uthi nema lona so eta njengesipili mama esikhanyisayo. So eta njengelight. No, we are not supposed to sway the steering to the left. Go to the right, go to the right, go to the right. Then the one who prophesies, he analyzes all of this and then he comes in and then he prophesies. That's what we need. So with discernment now, so the one who prophesies has heard all of this. He's sitting down while he's charging himself. He's watching these ones while they are doing this. So we are lalela by interpreter, we are lalela by interpreter. Because the atmosphere is now charged. So now he can discern what Seba exposed. Or Pharaoh Seba exposed. When he comes in to prophesy, he's now saying Egypt is your field. The land of the Philistines are yours. The land of the Egyptians are now yours. The wealth of the Egyptians are now yours. The wealth of the Egyptians are now yours. The keys now to take over this place that was owned by the Jebusites, then create a tent or a church or the city of Jerusalem is now open. Take over. He's prophesying because Laba Seba Kulumile and Seba created a pathway. The prophets is a malula. He discernment ends a low balance level. But I'm telling you, if we don't have discernment, we're not going anywhere. Because when Constance comes in and sings a worship song, Nay comes in, sings a praise song, Lindo comes in as an etomoy, Bese Portia comes in as an music worker wasingisi. Labalaba create I atmosphere yabanda bashugen. Lo amagama unomuntu wakhe. Lo we matangs unomuntu wakhe. Lo interpreter matangs unomuntu wakhe. Lona we prophets unomuntu wakhe. Baka kahlabeli bonke labantu in a service, what will happen is le atmosphere ngeke sabavumela bonke. Omunye ophuma ku service esindwa because uyezwa ukuthi kunento engawuyenzile, but the atmosphere ayicreate le portal yokuthi angene. So if la kuma worshippers they fight, lama intercessor will fight, and then lo prophetayo will fumble. The one which is called the service because of that. So if the worship in a fault, and then the intercession now is on the fault, then the prophecy yakona is on the scar, then the sermon yakona iyo ya egulungiseni instead of ukukunenza nilungele. So yobi imlungisa hayi ukuthi nilungele. So it will be fixing problems instead of channeling you. It will be chastening you. So umfundisi every day mageza, hey wahleza phethe imbazo, uyaskapa every day, wahleza skapa, hayi ukuthi uyankapa. Makangena because he is a prophet, he can sense ukuthi yaman labantu bafuna ngabala kodwa beko sekufuna ashaye ke lesihlahla sibhende kumkhana prophet ngendlela yakhe. So without discernment, the distance between achieving the goal, it is extended without discernment. So we will enter a service, but it will take 4 services to achieve one goal. 4 services. If you have noticed, like if you sing a guy all night prayer, uninga sistrategisha nako. Why? Because it's only in the all-night prayer where we see the role playing of these 4 things I've talked about now. That's when the Masiek all-night prayer and we can do this every day. Look at what is working. This is discernment. Look at what is working and how it is working. Look at the results. Then look at what is not working. Because discernment is the X-ray eyes that helps you to see where the bone has broken. Le tambo el simisa lomzimba. It discernment the X-ray. Liphuke pile tambo. Because ngenze kubhlungu bula kwathi tambo liphukile lingaphansi. So nge X-ray sesiyabona ukuthi lo buhlungu obula is because of 9 pandemia. When they prayed without faith. So they were fighting while they were praying. They were proving a point while they were praying. They were proving a point while they were singing. Even the preachers was trying to prune people when we were supposed to be preaching. Even the prophecy was to expose, not to equip, not to bring encounter, not to bring a power that comes from above or clarity of what is happening now. So the service, although it's a powerful service, it is filled with the haze of discombobulation. Ukuthi kune haze ye confusion langaphakathi umnyama but la makara N12 aya phambili kodwa baboni baya phambili sebathemba lona phambi kwabo yibhamba to bamba, whereas we're supposed to bring clarity to the service by praying, by singing. We're supposed to bring the heat that will warm up the service, remove the mist of sin, the mist of problems, the mist of confusion, of stress, of depression. Nangifika nangena kuthi kubungathi kuyakhanya kube azezake wafuna isihlahla sokugibela ahlole hayibo kwamnandi kangaka kwenzakalani la. How many people have you seen while we are preaching and worshiping? Let's start see litmus paper, Constance. Your testament is yenzai. People must stop by when baphume tave aphethe amabhodlela emela phemnyango abuke, because the fire elangaphakathi ibaselwe ngeinkuni ezibekwe endaweni eyodwa, and the fire is too big that everyone wants to come close. Ufuna sisebenze ngeservice labafana abageza amakara lapho bese kuservice. Yabona lapho makhelwane abanozifo lapho bayekele lento leya beze labathi imoto azilinde because le service. But if we continue to pray while we are clashing, laba lapha enzansi lapha le bandla labo liyokhula, while lethu lukhula lela lapha nalo liyenza njani? Funa lethu malikhula kube kuncipha lapha enzansi. So we will see growth only in numbers, but from people who come outside of Paul, while the people who belong to the space esinikezwe uNkulunkulu leave the place. Sithi silasontweni nathi ukuze umuntu usukaphi, athi umuntu ngisuka kwaMhlanga, athi omunye ngisuka Abura, athi omunye ngisuka Witbank, athi omunye ngisuka Everina. Base Paul beme ngenyawo ubone kusukuma 10 wabantu. So it means we have lost the place. Whereas little Bible nginikeze yona. And the problem is not witchcraft. The problem is discernment. Because you don't fight in vain. And you don't fight bese kuthiwa umisile. No, mina ngikushayisa khona manje. Yabona lento lena ngeke siyimele sithi silwa nayo. Discernment is given by the Spirit of God, because the people who are inside have faith that activates the sphere for them to receive discernment. And discernment can come with one person, because the Bible says to another the spirit of prophecy, to another discernment. So if we're waiting for all of us to discern, so our biggest issue is now, then this is issue number 2. When the one who is discerning tries to direct us, we fight him or we fight her, then we lose the battle. Not even the war, man. the battle. Because you can win the war but lose the battle. It's more like going to war with amadodana wonke kusala abafazi ekhaya. Nithi niyabuya nithola abafazi nabantwana bangasekho. So you have won the war but the battle ekhaya. That's our biggest issue. The one who's coming in now, I sense something like this. Uyasitshela lo uConstance ufuna bangumfundisi wala sontweni noma suka Constance asekumela akhulume manje ngasakhuluma. Makumela vele manje uthi kunento so, hayi Constance uphuka abantwana imic bayahlabela yini bona. Phela mina straightforward usikuphuka uyahlabela ngeke sikunikeze imic ungahlabeli. Sithi hlabela ungahlabeli. Yabo sekwinkingi. Uba usibiya usiphuca ima uze ufika egabeni zokuniphuca ima akashumayela angaqedi yini inkinga yenu shothi nani nakanikeza isikhala niyadlala uma mbonana uthandaza kakhulu okay njengoba athandaza kangaka uma mbonana uthandazileni wena because isikhala sivalwa ngoba sikhona akakho umuntu okwayeka isikole sekubhala ama exam ukhona na akakho sabona sengiqedile bese ngiyabhala manje ngizophasa la awaphike sisu le nalo velayo makakhuluma no prophet maye senenge uthi noma nami ngemine inhloko sengikhuluma senifuna ukulwa nami nganifangada mina nami noma sengikhuluma senifuna ukulwa phela mina ngiyabona ukuthi sekuyabheda la mawuthi ngiyabeka nami senifuna ukulwa nami mina kulula kwami ukuthi ungaphinde ubuye na uvela futhi ngangishumayela khona usibani akaphumela ngapha because akangiboni akangizwa yabo sekumukhulu ke manje uyothina anginankinga I will build bazamile abanye bazamile baqala kumkhukhu baba nebhangstulo oyowa A1 manje uempty lo mkhukhu ngizobathi bayidayisa le ndawo kubhlungu umfundisi obala la uyazi ngoba ngiphethe ama facts ongazi nothi nginawo now when ukulimaza abantu ukuthi even when we are given the spirit of discernment we think discernment is suspicion. In this church we have a problem of suspecting people. Siyamsuspecta lo hayi ukuthi siyadiscerna siyamsuspecta and then sesiya investigate ke manje ukuthi ungibani uvela hayi ngamoya ongcwele sesiyabuzana sisodwa uyamazi ubani wakube ngafunda abafunda hayi ukuthi sikufunela lokho ukuthi akhona ukusebenza nathi kahle sikufunela lokho ukuthi simdisqualify ukusebenza nathi. So now that's not discernment, that's suspicion because that is rooted in fear. So now if you can notice how many people about driver makara makulu came to our church, a lot of them from Tanwa, but they are not here now. Because the ones who are on the ground, just because on the mali, you will search and search until you find in the fault. Then uzwayizwa khulunywa ngayo la sontweni. Bese uyazibuza umuntu, kanti ngisesontweni lana noma ngilandela ama hawks. So lo muntu usesontweni kodwa sekunabantu abamgubhayo wakuphi azathi umuntu anengiyamazi lona bekahlupha nasesikoleni ngenzeka akasahluphi manje but sesimbambe ngelimuva because we are not discerning, we are suspecting, and that's a problem because suspicion is rooted from trauma, is rooted from fear and you are traumatized. Some of you we are very omunye futhi suspicion yakhe ivela because of unhealed wounds. Awupholanga la usuka khona. So ngoba awulinyazwanga nayithi kwakwatha umnyuma ngimtshela into le awulinyazwanga yini mina ngikuthola usulimele kube ngafika kuqala uma ngawulimalanga ukuthola sewulimele ngeke ngisakhona unless Constance you are willing to be healed and you are ready to be healed. There is no medication I can bring to heal you. Even if ngeza into ephilayo just because wena awufuna ukuphola angeke uphole uyoswata iservice iqala iziyophela uyokwathi iservice iqala iziyenza njani iyophela awukalinyazwa yini usilimale abanye nihethe emakhaya uhethwe ubabakho na ufika la bathi ubaba lo angeke mina ngithi baba kulomfana hamba phela komunye baba. So you see the problem, he has a problem group, the unhealed wound. So in discernment, I veil my unhealed wounds. Some of you can't build something in the pillar, and suka sakusebenzisa kanjani ulimele thina usikhombisa ubuso bomuntu opholile umuntu olimele ingozi ngoba wamthinta kabi uyopha wamuthi nje uyabona ishubala yami namhlanje ukuthi bemnandi kanjani khona waphayo manje sengithinte isilonda manje sengithinte isilonda manje ngeke ngisiyeke ngoba funa siphona yes nangu ukuthi sichinje ibhandisi funa sivule siyageza isilonda because siyafesta nje masingageza so abanye bethu we are not discerning siya suspecta umuntu nozakubuka uyabona nomuntu okunenda isuspecta kokini akhululeka angithwala ngangithwasanga mina kunendaba nawo futhi angithwala namanje ngingaphakamisa lo akunantambo la awuna altar kaSathane engaziyo mina so ungazi ukuthi ngoba wena awukaPaul so zoyifuna you will search for a problem when it's not you are not discerning you're suspecting and ipaso bekele into okususpecta ngoba izokwenza sicabanga ukuthi ulipolisa kanti awusiqualified wahluleka nokuba isecurity kodwa ufuna ukuzenza ipolice asiqhubeke sizofundisa deeper suspicion is rooted in the flesh inyama yakho le efuna something that is wrong it's not your spirit because kube bekumoya wakho you are going to pray for God to reveal but now what you are going to do igama lelijule lesingisi is to pry pry you are now prying on these people nyangizwa mos so uhambe emva kwabo so ufuna ubuza ubona umuntu adlalisa unkosikazi wakho ube sure ukuthi yena umdlalisa ngoba uyamemukela ufuna lo nkosikazi akhe iground yokuthi amsafe so that azovuleka bese yena uya kwescheme sakhe ababheda nabo sekunama amafile apho so it's rooted on the flesh inyama le eyenza ukuthi ulwe naloko so abanye bethu ngasekudeni manje but sibanjwe inyama as leader ukuthi suspect nala ngakameli suspect khona funa submit or rather support because let me ask this let's say you misjudge me and then you label me as a witch when I am a prophet because of the way I prophesied and then now when you because of your flesh and because of the way I prophesied because of your fears, your trauma. And then now, when you go to sleep, God reveals that I am a prophet. How will you come back from that? The way suspicion goes kupika man. Ngoba usuka so yakile nale ideology ukuthi umthakathi. Then when God comes in at this is your prophet, the one I've ordained for you. Into zoyenza kushikisha izandla. Mina baba mina angazi ngithini yazi baba ukuthi sibancane singabantwana baba samukele namaphutha wethu inkinga soba khona mina baba vele woyapi la why is it that the first thought about a person is the best thought? Why don't you ask yourself that question? Why is it that me when I meet people the first thing in kabanga yintembi? Why can't I think about a good thing? Because I always pray for good things to come to me. Why is it that now when I meet a person for the first time, in the vele kandalam, into enjani, and if you see something bad in a person, there will always be bad. Then number two, his suspicion is fueled by assumption. We are assuming. We are I'm telling you, because of assumptions about. I'm telling you, because of assumptions. Because of our ngahlela no shaman ngithandana no shaman. Ushadile lo muntu lo ndoda yakhe. Sothi mina ngangishade ngangifuna indoda yakhe isidudlanyana. Esimlanda la. Singabambana na ngama washing la izokuthi kunjani njani. Niyazi ukuthi that's not okay. Sengathandana no Zipho unendoda yakhe ushadile naye. Wakithi ke lo. Oh suka na nesprite lo. Ngane kakhulu. You understand the most? You are not discerning, you are assuming things. So prophets can't work with anyone because I'll discern, you assume. Stop assuming, please. Discern. God will tell you if something is wrong. The minute you realize that you can't, so call in your basement. Watch this. Can I open your eyes? All the months you were assuming you were losing from the anointing. All the months and the weeks of assuming I would go sola, breakthrough useless, tolling down. Because if breakthrough you're gonna carry us moment, the seasons when you were distracted. For 4 years or 2 years or next year, stop assuming you are blocking yourself. A lot of people have blocked themselves because we are assume. We are sola. We are so bonga abantu bomsolo, bonga abantu bomsolo, bonga abantu abanye bagcine bahlangana. Because ubenze bomsolo abantu abathi man most vele bathi siyathandana sala standard. Bahlanganiswe uwe marriage counselor enkulu. Bebangathandani bebangabonana. Umyofela thawa most bathi mina ngiyathandana nawe. Sale vele sala standard. Nami ngibona umfazi. Bagcine bathandana ngoba bahlanganiswe uwe. Instead of helping them, so bahlanganiseleke manje nalo mshado owuconductile was not real. Sebazoshana manje labantu. Okunye futhi mawusesontweni ukhumbula uzele kuzokhonza. Ono moya wokuhlola abantu. Nokubheka abantu. Nokuprofeta abantu. Nokubonisa abantu. Nokusho ukuthi usibani ubheka ubani. Why bongakwenzi mangekho? If there is a man who angihlupha sondweni nami babe nami ngathi ngimshumayelisa washumayela wathi ngathi umfundisi lento yokushumayela akusinto yami mina ngizohamba nawe ngizokugada. I don't want because mangishumayela mfundisi ngizongazi ukuthi mina sengikhompyutha nawe hayi mina ngeke ngishumayela ngicela ukuhamba nawe over 8 years now. Over 8 years. He's doing only that. That's all. I gave him the pulpit because and I said, you are supposed to preach. And he came. He preached. I'm trying to share with you this thing, but it's so good, man. I think direction. Let me do this. I'm good at this. Namanje, he's head of the protocol. Because of that. Una field yakhe. Aga asumanga. Aga prophetanga. Aga bonanga. Aga solanga. Wavela wangena kucela ngomfundisi. Wabona indawo yakhe. Wabamba lapho nomfundisi. Waya kumnandi manje. Sika sakabana Mohammed. Ngeke ngafona nje mina ngalwa nawe. Wena uthola ukuthi sengilwa nawe ngoba nawe ulwa nami. Indirectly so nawe. Ngize noma ngilele ngubona ungihama. Ngidinga mabomu mama. Hayibo. Then number 3, suspicion is rooted in overthinking. Aba even you overthink. Lento icabanga ayikho. Une disorder nje wena. Yabona lento icabangayo. Ayikho. Ngibulanga ngena batshela umntu baba ukuthi akangifuni. Ngathi mina lo baba othi akakufuni uye lo tekushumayela. Bathi lo mama lo ish. Bengaboni kanjalo. Yabo ya overthinker. Ukuthi ubani akakufuni kanti uye okusuggestile uye mina bengakuboni suggestwe uye. Wena overthinker wathi uyangizonda. Then mina mangifika lapho ngithi uye lo okubonile, uye lo okhanibhikile, uye lo mangithi mina lo mama la ngimuzwa ahlale phansi. Athena asimnikeze chance, asimnikeze ithuba uzogcina alright. Phela vele mawuqala abantu base EPC baningi yena so sure ukuthi uyangizonda. Yabona ukuthi okunye is overthinking. Out discern your overthink. Hlale phansi esontweni si enjoy ishumayelo ya overthinker wena. Word for word we are underlining words legama leli yakubani. Legama leli basho kimi manje. Thina lapho simile yebo. But wena ngoba uya overthinker basho kimi manje. Bengiyaphi la? Akunankinga. Egama lika Jesu. You are overthinking, you're not discerning. You will kill yourself, you will crush your spirit, and you will crush yourself. This is very easy. Serving in the church is very easy when you have discernment. Don't overthink. Come to the service. Konke kwenzakalayo thatha ungazothi ku right, kwenziwe right. Abaphoqi mina. Nangabe ngibona ngathi angilimaza, ngenzeka ngangilimaza ngibone kabi. Ukala nje nokwenzeka wena sowuzungazi ukuthi abangifuni unamanga ubone kabi. You are over. Let's continue. Overthinking. Then nako kunye paranoia. Awubethemba abantu nje wena. Sidalo sakho. You are paranoid. Akakho umuntu omthembayo. Wonke umuntu awumethembi. Wonke awumethembi. Na une paranoia uyinkinga ke ngoba uyinkinga kuwa uthemba nje nabantu bakho. You are paranoid. So there is no way we will help you. So other people are not discerning because bane paranoia. It's just that basangakayi la bangada kunazwa khona. Kodwa thina siyakhona badang lo nenkinga ungathembi umuntu. Lo muntu akathembi umuntu. Kunomuntu wakho othandana naye, nazi nagcina nahlukana naye. Nahlukaniswa ukuthi noma ume nomuntu sojola naye. Noma athiwa wasemsebenzini sothandana naye. Nawe agcina wakathatha usothi ke mina ngoba sengithandana nawe zakamele ukukhulumisa abanye abantu une paranoia lo muntu lo. Sheshe umshiye futhi ngoba uzobulala. Bana bane paranoia bayingozi ngoba if bangabulali wena babulala umuntu obhizi ngayo. So uyolahlekelwa abantu duzane nawe bawuba lawyer sometimes angamhama amloye. So some people are paranoid. They are not discerning. It's paranoia. And the paranoia inamapilisi ayo. So you are paranoid. Other people at your workplace abakuthakathi. Omunye nje umbona thinta iloka yakho wathinta ivaselina iblusi. But ngani ngobona wazi ukuthi kunema vaselina kaShembe. So uzungazi ukuthi hayi uthinte ngevaselina yabathakathi lapha. So thatha ianointing oil fire. Akuvele thatha itissue and bayisula. If I believe that I can't be bewitched, I can touch it and it will not hurt me because I believe I'm more powerful. I believe it can't do anything to me. Asibhombe phela la ukuthi wayithinta ngabe yabhoma. Umuthi lona ufuna ukholelwe kuwo kunkhani usebenza. Mawuthi kunamanga umuntu uyaphuza ama-antibiotics angasebenzi because engqondweni yakhe usitshelile ukuthi amapilisi abodokotela kangilaphi mina bafaka ama-antibiotics angasebenzi ngakho bodokotela bese bakunikeza elinye ipilisi elineutral mangabe uvela kakhulu esibhedlela elineutral njengepanado bavele bakunikeza lona kunanakala bathi placebo effect bekumele ngenze medicine kwatholakala ukuthi ubaba unabantwana abaningi ngagcine ngangayi eHong Kong but ngafunda ngisekhaya kunanaka bathi placebo effect lo ukuthi ngikunikeza ipilisi and unikeza udokotela noma ngase ngikunikeza ama vitamins uyaphola. So lento akusile pilisi elikuphilisile yilo ukuthi uyakholwa ukuthi bangaphuza ipilisi. So what the placebo effect. So lento yazenzakalela ngoba uyakholwa. Kanganani ke makuthiwa awukholwa ukuthi kunomuntu oright ephona. So noma uhlangene nathi la baloya bonke labantu abana. Noma ngibona ngishubala ngithatha imike uprofeti akambona ukuthi uyaloya lo sisilo. But akaloyi uwe uparanoid. So nomuntu noma ngaloyi so can I take you deep? Nawuhlala ke ngomuntu manje anesiphandla. La ngqondweni yakho. So vele uyaloya. Uhamba inyanga yesimanga. Wahlala duzana nomuntu wafaka nje umuntu oyi1 la, intambo ered la. Ngoba uyifakile, mawuphangisa izandla athi vele. Le bonda sifala khapa. You don't even know why by fact that's not discernment, that is being paranoid. So most people yaboke manje abanye bethu sesiyakhona ukugezeka ukuthi hayi man yini ngathi mina uprofet ukhuluma ngami manje. So yabothi uzokwatiswa yena ukuthi kushiwo mina la ngoba vele mina noma ngabona uba wavela nje ugogo ufaka ijazi elikhulu wafaka isidoko wahlala eceleni kwami ngathi uprofet kunomthakathi la nami ngiyamuzwa. Only to find that umthakathi akusiyo umuntu omdala, umthakathi umuntu omusha. Faka amazipho akhe ufake la nangu umthakathi